Hello everyone and welcome back to Ms. Cheryl's Place. Today I'm coming to you with a video that is a collaborated video that is hosted by none other than creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and Juani at Juani's house. This challenge has been issued and it is the One Pot Meal Challenge of 2020. The ladies have asked that we come up with a appetizer or a meal using our crock pots, rice cooker, pressure cooker, etc. But before I get into that, let me tell you about myself. I am Ms. Cheryl and I welcome you to my channel. If you are a person that loves to decorate, do home shopping hauls, grocery hauls, DIYs, tablescapes, decorating, or any of those things, then you have come to the right channel. I also am on a healthy lifestyle journey and I will be doing more cooking videos to show you what it is that I've come up with my healthy lifestyle change. I am a member of Weight Watcher and I am on Team Blue. I'm very excited about this year and all the things that are being inspired for the year. Now, the ladies have asked that we hashtag with either One Pot Meal Challenge 2020 or we use the hashtag One Pot Meal 2020. We are to upload this video on 2/6/20 at 8 a.m. Central Time. We are once again to use a crock pot, rice cooker, pressure cooker, etc. We are to mention both ladies' channels. We are also supposed to put our recipe in the description box as well as put their channels in the description box. They have also asked that we be subscribe to their channels. So if you would like to see what it is that I came up with in my one pot, stay tuned. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. Okay everyone, welcome back to Ms. Cheryl's Place. Today I am going to do the crock pot slow cooker chicken and broccoli. I did the beef and broccoli and my family loved it. I don't eat beef, however, so this will be a first for me to try it. Everyone loved the dish, so I'm pretty sure it's a good dish. It probably came out, according to my family, very well. Now, there are a few things that you're going to need. You can use cornstarch or flour. It does the same thing as to coat the chicken. I've already washed and cut the chicken breast. You're going to need some broth, chicken preferably if you're doing chicken, or beef if you're doing beef. I have vegetables, so I'm willing to use the vegetable. Also, you're going to need some garlic, some soy sauce, and some brown sugar, as well as broccoli, cut florets. You're going to need broccoli florets. Alright, so give me a second and I'll get started to get this thing set up. Okay, so my crock pot is what they call the stir pot crock pot, and it has some accessories to it. This is for the stirring process. It has a power button and a pause button. You attach it to the plug here. This is one of the attachments. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet or not, but this is one of the attachments that you put in here with the crock pot. So it's easy to put on and easy to take off. So I'll let you see how it is. So here's the crock pot here. I'll take and unplug it. I would plug this in, then I would attach it to plug this so it's attached. Okay, I have to make sure it's flopped. You heard the clicking sound. Then this is the piece that goes on it. You hear that click, and then you put it in here, and 2 hours after it has started cooking, it will start stirring. So I just got this for Christmas. I used it a couple of times. I've made pinto beans in it. I made my crock pot beef and broccoli in it. So today I'm going to use it for the chicken and broccoli. This process will keep you from having to open and close and stir up the things or whatever it is that you're preparing. So let's put this to the side because I've already set that up. Now, the way to do this is We're gonna need our cornstarch or flour and soy sauce. Let me strain some more water off of this, because as you know, when you wash chicken and stuff, it strains right on out. There's water in it already, and more water gets in it. Okay. There's bleach in my soap water, so I'm wiping my sink out. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to add soy sauce, and then I'm going to add the cornstarch or the flour. So that's my soy sauce. And I'm going to add some of this flour, and I'm going to stir it together to coat the chicken. Put a little bit more, because this will make your gravy, so to speak. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is add garlic to it, and then I'm gonna stir that up. I don't ever measure. My mom used to tell me, well, she cooked the same way, and she used to say to me, because I have a cake that she absolutely loved, but I don't measure, so that I make, and I just pretty much follow the box recipe for the measurements on certain things, and then it's like desserts that I have. So instead of using the water, I use the liquid that I'm going to make the cake with. So if it's an orange cake, it's going to have orange juice in it. If it's a pineapple or pina colada cake, it's going to have pineapple in it. So I use that for the liquid. Okay, so let me get the rest of this in here. Now, I'm going to add some brown sugar to this. And like I said, I don't measure. I do things by eye. Okay, that's enough. And this is going to cook with the chicken. Just a tad bit more brown sugar, and this is light brown sugar. You can use dark, it's your preference. Stir it up. Now I'm gonna let this chicken cook before I add the broccoli. Alright, so need the broth for sure. That's my flour that's on here. And I'm going to pull it forward, and I'm going to add the chicken in. Alright, get my little handy dandy spatula and scrape all the goodness out. Okay, so I got that process done. Plate instead. Okay, so here we go, guys. We'll put this on here. Let me even this out some. We'll put this on. Clamp it down. Okay. Bring you guys closer so you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so your here we go. Here's the power buttons down here. I have to select. I'm gonna make a selection. It is 1:42 and I want to cook this for 5 to 6 hours. So it's a high button on here. It doesn't give me yeah, I have to push the timer button here to get, that's 1 hour, an hour and a half, 2, and so on. So I'm gonna cook it for 5.5 hours on high, and that should do it. That should do it. Now, here's the part that's fun. Let's get up here so you can see this. The crock pot stir part. Okay, so as you can see, it has the power button. Oh, you can't see. Hold on. Okay. All right, there we go. So here's my power button, which I'm gonna turn on, and it's going to cook. In 2 hours, it'll stir it. So stay tuned, guys, so you can see the results. All right, guys, 2 hours. Okay, hold on, because I had to switch out the blade. Let's get this back. And on high. And I had 2 hours left. So I switched out the turner, so the stirrer, and I put the broccoli in, and I'll just let it cook for the rest of it. Once it gets done, I'll let you know. Okay, y'all, so here is a close-up of the chicken and broccoli. It is done, and it is dinner time. So again, just follow the recipe, and here you go. Oh, I forgot, I added some oyster sauce. I forgot to mention that. I will be inserting a picture now, and this is what's for dinner tonight. Slow cooker chicken and broccoli with rice. And here's my rice. You guys have a blessed day. What's it for dinner at your house?